Hi everyone, Hannah here. So we are going to do an overview and then get started on our tutorial for our mini mixed media kit. This has been a really fun kit for those that don't have a lot of money to spend each month, but they would like to do something. So this is a really fun project to do each month. And it's a small project so that it's not overwhelming. It's geared toward either people that are new to mixed media and they just want something small and easy just to kind of get their feet wet, get some practice, or for those that don't want to spend a lot of money and maybe they just need a few supplies each month. So what you will get for this month is a canvas panel. It's not a stretched canvas. A stretched canvas would be something like this, but this is a panel where it's a solid piece that's under this canvas, and it's 5 inches by 7 inches. And you'll also get a 3 by 4 inch journaling card. That is really neat, especially for our project that we're going to do. So naturally this is going to be our focal point. You'll also get a stencil. This is the stick-on or adhesive stencils, which I really have just fallen in love with. I really love to use these, and they are reusable, so as soon as you're done you can go wash it off. And when it dries, then it gets its stickiness back. And you can just put it back on this little piece of acetate or plastic that we've put this on and tuck it away, save it for your next project. You also get, these are little 1/2 ounce sample jars. You've got gesso, you've got your mint rust effect paste, and you've got your Finnabair red wine metallic acrylic paint, which beautiful, beautiful color. I'm so excited for that color this month. And we've got some of these really neat things. Got some little adhesive, gold adhesive gemstones. We've got these little red Druby adhesive gemstones. And then we've got some flowers, just a mixture of flowers. I love putting flowers in my in my projects. So we've got some different flowers here that we are going to use. You might not need all of them. Sometimes I like to kind of run them up both sides or do one in the corner, one in the other corner. And I like to add as many layers as we can. Then we've also got this here, just beautiful little holly, I guess it's holly berries and leaves. And we've got our palette knife, our paintbrush, and so let's go ahead and get started.